Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys a little hair video. This is actually my mom's hair. This is her before. So I am using Schwrazkopf Blonde Me bleach as well as Redken Shades EQ to low light her hair. I chose to do Redken Shades because she doesn't want anything permanent because she's gonna end up going back to her usual blonde self in the future. But I haven't done my mom's hair in about 10 weeks, and the last time we did it, we only did a partial. So this time I am going to be doing a full foil, so I will be touching up everything. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but I have been a hairstylist for 4 years now. Been doing my mom's hair for 4 years. It's been quite some time, so I do know my mom's hair pretty well. But basically today she's just wanting to add a little bit more of dimension and go a little bit darker, not too much. She still wants to be blonde, but I do like to part her hair in 4 sections because she always parts her hair to the right side. She always wears it the same part, so we're just gonna go off her natural part. I just wanted to pretty much bring you guys different content to see how you guys would like it. Obviously, if you're not a hairstylist, then you probably would care less, but maybe I figured it could help a hairstylist or two out there. And just, I love to watch videos of people doing hair to learn different techniques. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy it, and I can definitely make more videos like this because this is my full-time job. This is what I live for. I do this all day, every day, and I absolutely love my job. So for my mom's hair, I'm not doing like any specific pattern or anything. Like, I'm not doing one highlight to 2 low lights. I'm pretty much just highlighting thicker weaves so we can see a little bit of her base peeking through with dimension. And then I am just low lighting pretty much whatever I feel like is too blonde, or like where I feel like a low light would look good. Everyone's different. Sometimes I do 1 highlight, 1 low light, or 1 highlight, 2 low lights, or vice versa. But for my mom's hair, her hair is curly and she wears it curly quite often. She hardly ever wears it straight, so I can play around. I don't need to go in a specific pattern. Anything will pretty much look good on her, and I can play around a little bit more. It pretty much doesn't have to be as uniformed. So you really want to make sure that you ask your client if they wear their hair up often or how they wear their hair. If they wear their hair up often, which my mom does, you really want to make sure that you are highlighting down there. That way when they wear their hair up, you can still see blonde and it's not super dark down there. I always have my clients look down for this so I can get as close to the hairline as possible. So as you can see, her hair is a lot darker there, and that's because we haven't touched that part in probably like 5 months, since I did mention that we do a full only every other time. So I did leave these clips in normal time. I didn't speed it up, just so you guys have an idea of how fast I move. I do this every day. Most of my clients require foil work, so I have gotten pretty fast, but you still want to take your time. So you want to make sure your foils are placed nicely. watching and you guys aren't sure why I'm only doing her regrowth, it is a touch-up and her ends are already blonde, so we don't want to touch that because that's when breakage happens. And then, as you guys saw, my mom does have some grays, so we do go through every single foil and we cover up those grays. You really want to make sure you saturate every single piece of hair that is there so you get maximum full coverage. And I did just go in with Kenra 6N and 6NA and 20 volume. So I do let this process for about 30 to 45 minutes. You're going to see in the next section that my mom's hair lives really, really nicely. This is completely raw, no toner, no nothing, just shampooed her foils out, and this is what it looks like. So it's not too bad. And then I am using Redken Shades EQ to tone. I would have used 8N, but I didn't have it, so I just mixed it 7N and 9N, half and half, and then 9NB and 9P. So she is still pretty blonde, but that 7N and 9N did make a difference and tone it down a lot, as well as the low lights. And this is what it looks like. I always like to rough dry the hair first. So I just want to show you guys underneath, so when you wear your hair up, you're going to be able to see those highlights, and this is the finished result. This is with my iPhone on a ring light, and then the next one is just in front of a window. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching.